So I got this karaoke Pyle Pro. It came with 2 microphones and a little remote. It's pretty dang big. It's as big as my TV, maybe bigger. It's got a battery in it. You can just unplug it and carry it around with you and do some singing or whatever. And you can Bluetooth your phone to it and play music. And on the back, it has all your connections. You can run your tape player, line in, your headphone jack, microphone input, your 1/4-inch microphone, and then your regular, whatever they call those things. You got your mic volume, your echo, your master volume, your bass, and your treble. This is a line out, so if you have another powered speaker, you can run a line out to the powered speaker. You got your microphone, your wireless microphone volumes. It has a input right here for a 12-volt battery, and then you got your plug-in right here. I'm going to turn this on, and you get a little display. It says cannot find device, but you can select the mode here, and it has the FM radio. I don't know if you can hear that.
Bluetooth mode.
And that's Bluetooth mode. So
Connected.
you can connect your phone to it. It connects super easy. It has I guess these antennas are for the microphones. They're UHF. And it's got a handle you can drag it around with like a suitcase. And it comes with the plug-in. This is the plug-in right here. When you plug it in, it'll tell you it's charging the battery. It has a red light saying it's charging. When that's charged, that light will go out. It sounds pretty dang good. We're going to take it camping with us, and everybody likes to sing karaoke. And you can hook it up to your TV. So the TV output goes onto the input of this. So you can get the sound from the TV to this speaker, and then you can use the mics to sing with.